Ladies and gentlemen, let's explore how Apple is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to elevate every product they create. AI technology at Apple is not just a feature. It's at the heart of their mission to deliver smarter, more intuitive, and deeply personalized experiences across their entire product ecosystem. Starting with the iPhone, Apple's AI-powered capabilities in photography have redefined what's possible in a smartphone camera. Through features like Deep Fusion, Night Mode, and Smart HDR, AI processes millions of pixels to bring out the finest details, the sharpest contrasts, and vibrant colors, even in low light. Every photo taken on an iPhone uses advanced AI to analyze the scene and adapt in real time, giving users professional-level results with the simplicity Apple is known for. Apple's AI technology also shines in the Apple Watch, transforming it into a true health companion. With advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, Apple Watch detects heart irregularities, monitors oxygen levels, and even senses changes in body movement, triggering fall detection and emergency alerts when needed. Through continuous AI learning, the Apple Watch adapts to each user's patterns, learning to deliver insights, motivate workouts, and offer life-saving health notifications. The power of AI extends to Apple's voice assistant, Siri, which is now smarter and more capable than ever. Siri uses on-device intelligence, keeping interactions private while offering relevant recommendations, curating reminders, and even learning daily routines. Whether on iPhone, iPad, or Mac, Siri connects seamlessly across Apple devices, creating a consistent, personalized experience that makes everyday tasks easier and more efficient. In Apple's laptops and desktops, AI-driven technologies like the M-series chips bring an unprecedented level of speed, efficiency, and power. These chips use neural engines that can process trillions of operations per second, handling everything from complex video editing to real-time gaming with remarkable ease. The neural engine even powers Face ID, Apple's secure facial recognition feature, enhancing security with AI-driven, biometric precision.